How to file a train complaint on the Rail Madad application. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and simple tutorial, I will be guiding you through the steps of how you can file a complaint or basically a train complaint on the Rail Madad application. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply download the Rail Madad application from the Google Play Store. And once you have successfully downloaded and installed the Rail Madad application, simply open up the application by tapping onto the app icon. And once the application opens up, you need to log in, or if you have already set an pin, you will need to set the pin or enter the pin in order to log in. So after you are done logging in your Rail Madad application, you will have this option that says train. So simply click onto this train option and it will ask you for the grievance details. So if this particular incident happened on a train, you will need to select train, or if it happened on a station, you will need to select station. So once you have selected the train option, you will need to choose your PNR. So you can simply type in the PNR or the UTS as well. So if you have a PNR, you will need to type in the PNR number here, and once you will type in the PNR number, after that you need to enter the type. So from here you can enter the complaint type like medical assistance, security, Divyangjan facilities, facilities for women, electrical equipment, coach cleanliness, punctuality, water availability, maintenance, etc. So for example, let's say if I select the coach cleanliness problem, from here you can identify or determine the subtype. So in the subtype you can type in which particular portion needs cleanliness. So it could be toilet, wash basin, the cockroaches, or coach interior, exterior, or others. So for example, let's choose the wash basin, and from here you will need to determine the incident date as on when and at which time the incident occurred or you noticed, and then you will also have to type in the grievance description as well. So you can type it from here, and after you are done typing in the grievance description, you can also upload a file which could be an image or a video of that particular thing that you saw, and then click onto the submit button, and your grievance will be noted and recorded, and prompt action will be taken by the Indian Railways. So that's how easily you can file a train grievance using the Rail Madad application. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.